the final customer say, I like this, please explain me this with more detail because I am very interested. This is, by my side, the most important point. Was based in Sabadell. This is the reason why whose name is Banco Sabadell, and is very important for us. It's a big statement in Spain, and have a very good relationships with other banks like Banco Santander, La Caixa, and it's very important for us to be a part of a technology improvement in this kind of solution. At the beginning of this history, we proposed a solution based on GreenLake for File. And we need to convince the final customer that when we're talking about GreenLake for File, actually we're talking about X10000, and led to us to redefine our discuss from technical perspective. Try to demonstrate during different and a couple of meetings with the final customer that our solution was the best solution from technical perspective, from architectural perspective, and this is a really additional challenge because we need to compete with NetApp. And by our side, our solution, honestly, was more expensive than the solution NetApp, or based on NetApp. And we need to modify during many occasions the initial configuration in order to, first of all, obtain the best performance, and additionally to this, try to reduce the total amount of cost of the solution. The backup software vendor, in this case from Banco Sabadell, was Commvault, and Commvault and DPA was the perfect solution because DPA, as you know perfectly, use Catalyst protocol, and Catalyst protocol is the main protocol that Commvault manages in order to manage or send different backup jobs. And this is the reason why we can be able to optimize the performance, and we can be able to offer a very good ratio, and totally different in this case with NetApp. And additionally to this, with the DPA, we can be able to reduce the total amount of requirement from a space perspective on X10000, and we can be able to reduce the requirements from media agents, in this case from Commvault software perspective. The very good relationship that in this case the accounting based in Barcelona with Chema Duran and Maria have with the final customer, because this very good relationship led to us to create a good environment with the final customer. Additionally to this, and by my side very important, our technical approach, because was very different between the competence. Because when we propose to the final customer use exactly the same backup software vendor, in this case Commvault, the possibility to integrate with Catalyst Copy on the DPA, the Data Protection Accelerator node, and additionally to this, when we propose an internal and complete architecture based on DPA plus X10000, the final customer say, I like this, please explain me this with more detail because I am very interested. It's very important for sure know the final customer requirements. It's very important to have a very good relationship with the final customer, and for sure, in our case, from HPE perspective, it's very important to know exactly our solution, to know how can be built a solution with different pieces, in this case, DPA plus S10K. And for sure, it's very important to know how explain correctly this kind of solutions from sales perspective. It's very important, and for sure from pre-sales perspective. In terms of call to action, the most important actually is talking about with the final customer as necessary in order to resolve any kind of doubt, as a little doubt must be resolved with agility.